Hello friends, welcome to my channel Plant Pathology Pathsala. I am Jumishri Meher, PhD scholar from Banaras Hindu University. In this video, we will discuss 25 most important questions on diseases of wheat. It will be helpful for students, those who are preparing for ICAR, JRF, SRF and other competitive exams. So see this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without delay, let's start the questions. First question is 1. In northern India, black stem rust of wheat appears in the month of. So the options are A. March to April, B. November to December, C. June to July and D. September to October. Here the answer is A. March to April. So, northern India, the black stem rust of wheat appears in the month of March to April. Next question number 2. In southern India, black stem rust of wheat appears in the month of. Options are A. March to April, B. November to December, C. June to July and D. September to October. Here the answer is B. November to December. So, the black stem rust of wheat can be observed in South India in the month of November to December and in Northern India in the month of March to April. Next question number 3. Karnal bunt of wheat was first reported by. So, the options are A. Prasad and Prabhu in 1962, then B. Anton de Berry in 1881, then C. Hutchinson in 1917, then D. Mitra in 1931. So the answer is D. Mitra in 1931. Karnal bunt of wheat was first reported in India by Mitra in 1931. As it was reported in Karnal, that's why it is known as Karnal bunt of wheat. Next, question number 4. Black stem rust of wheat is a which type of disease? So the options are A. Autococcus macrocyclic rust, B. Autococcus microcyclic rust, C. Heterococcus macrocyclic rust and D. Heterococcus microcyclic rust. So the answer is C. Heterococcus macrocyclic rust. So the black stem rust of wheat is heterococcus and macrocyclic rust. Heterococcus means it needs more than one host to complete its life cycle, and macrocyclic means it produces all the 5 types of spores. Okay, whereas its opposite is autococcus. Autococcus means it completes, for completion of its life cycle, only one host is needed, and microcyclic means all the 5 types of spores are absent. Okay, only few spores are produced, not all the 5 spores are produced. Okay. Next, question number 5. Alternate host for wheat black stem rust causing pathogen is A. Barberry, B. Mahonia, C. both and D. none of this. So here the answer is C. both. So the Barberry and Mahonia, both the plant act as alternate host for black stem rust of wheat. Next, question number 6. Fungicide used to manage wheat rust is. So the options are A. Plantavax, B. Vitavax, C. both A and B and D. none of this. So the answer is A. Plantavax, or it is also known as oxycarboxyn. So oxycarboxyn is used to manage wheat rust. Next, question number 7. Which fungicide is used to manage loose smut of wheat? So the options are A. Plantavax, B. Vitavax, C. both A and B and D. none of this. So the answer is B. Vitavax. This Plantavax and Vitavax are categorized in the fungicide group oxanthin. Okay, and this Vitavax is known as carboxyn, whereas the Plantavax is known as oxycarboxyn. So Vitavax is used mainly for control of loose mud of wheat, whereas plantar wax is used to control the rust disease of wheat. Next, question number 8. The uridial and telial stage in case of orange rust appears on wheat and some other grasses. However, acial and pycnial stage occurs on which species? Options are A. Thalictrum, B. Mahonia, C. Barberry, D. Brinjal. So the answer is A. Thalictrum. So this orange rust of wheat is also a heteroecious rust. Its uridial and telial stage appears on wheat and some other grasses, whereas the acial and pycnial stage occurs on Thalictrum species. Okay. Next question number 9. Causal agent of stripe rust of wheat is? So the options are A. Puccinia recondita, B. Puccinia styliformis, C. Puccinia tritici, and D. Melamopsora linnae. Here the answer is B. Puccinia styliformis. So in wheat, 3 types of rust are found. First one is the black stem rust that is caused by Puccinia graminis tritici. Then the orange rust or the brown rust that is caused by Puccinia recondita. And last one is the yellow rust or striped rust that is caused by Puccinia styliformis. Whereas the Melamopsora linnae, this is the causal organism of linseed rust. Next question number 10. Loose mud of wheat is and which type of seed-borne disease? Options are A. Internally seed-borne disease, B. Externally seed-borne disease, C. Both, D. None of this. So here the answer is C. Both. It is externally and internally seed-borne disease, and it is also systemic one. The fungus is carried over in seed as dormant mycelium. When the planted seed germinates, the mycelium becomes active and it also grows with the plant. Okay. Whereas in internally seed-borne disease condition, the pathogen hibernates in the endosperm. Okay. Next, question number 11. Causal agent of kernel bunt of wheat is? Options are A. Alternaria tritici, B. Neovicia indica, C. Corynebacterium tritici, and D. Anguina tritici. Here the answer is Neovicia indica. Next, question number 12. Which disease is called as cancer of wheat? Options are A. Loose mud, B. Leaf blight, C. Leaf rust, D. Kernel bunt. So the answer is D. Kernel bunt, that is caused by Neovicia indica, and it was first reported by Mitra in 1931. Next, question number 13. Black stem rust of wheat appears early in? Options are A. Central India, B. Southern India, C. Northern India, D. Eastern India. Here the answer is C. Northern India. In my previous slides, I have already discussed that in Northern India, the stem rust of wheat was first appeared in the month of March, whereas in Southern India, it was first appeared during the November to December. Okay, that's why the first appearance of black stem rust of wheat is in the Northern India. Okay, next question number 14. Tundo disease of wheat was first reported by? Options are A. Prasad and Prabhu in 1962, B. Anton de Berry in 1881, C. Hutchinson in 1917, then D. Mitra in 1931. Here the answer is C. Hutchinson in 1917. Next, question number 15. The nematode galls can be separated from healthy seeds. A. By floating seeds in brine solution, B. By floating seed in sugar solution, C. By sieving, D. None of this. So the answer is by floating seed in brine solution. Next question number 16. Causal agent of leaf blight of wheat is? So the options are A. Alternaria triticina, B. Neovicia indica, C. Corynebacterium tritici, and D. Anguina tritici. So the answer is A. Alternaria triticale. Next, question number 17. In which disease of wheat the rotting of spikelets occur with a profuse oozing of yellow liquid from the affected tissue? So the options are A. Loose mud, B. Leaf blight, C. Tundu, D. Canal bunt. So the answer is C. Tundu disease. As it is producing yellow ooze or yellow liquid, that's why it is also known as yellow slime mold. Okay. Next, question number 18. Shape of secondary sporidia produced by canal bunt pathogen is, options are A. Spherical, B. Needle shaped, C. Sickle shaped, and D. Ellipsoidal. So the answer is C. Sickle shaped. The sporidia are produced by the germination of teleospore. First, after the germination of teleospore, primary sporidia is produced and then the secondary sporidia are produced. Teleospore act as the primary inoculum, whereas the sporidia are act as the secondary inoculum. And this secondary sporidia are of sickle shaped. Next question is question number 19. For managing loose mud of wheat, hot water treatment of seed is given at, options are A. 52 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, B. 52 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, C. 58 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, D. 58 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. So the answer is A. 52 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This hot water treatment is very effective for the management of loose mud of wheat, and it was first suggested by Jensen in 1908. Next, question number 20. Solar seed treatment of wheat was first suggested by, options are A. Prasad and Prabhu 1962, B. Anton de Very 1881, C. Hutchinson in 1917, D. Luthra and Sutter 1934. So the answer is D. Luthra and Sutter 1934. Solar seed treatment of wheat is used for the management of loose mud of wheat. For loose mud of wheat, three types of seed treatment is used. Solar seed treatment, hot water treatment, and also the anaerobic seed treatment. Next, question number 21. Which variety of wheat is resistant to all three rust? Options are A. Sonalika, B. Prabhat, C. SD2329, and D. Larma Rajo. So the answer is D. Larma Rajo. Next, question number 22. The source of inoculum for black rust comes from, options are A. Aravalli Hills, B. Himalaya, C. Nilgiri and Pulne Hills, and D. None of this. So the answer is C. Nilgiri and Pulne Hills. So the source of inoculum for the black stem rust is from the Nilgiri and Pulne Hills. Next, question number 23. Shape of primary sporidia produced by canal bunt pathogen is, options are A. Spherical, B. Needle shaped, C. Sickle shaped, and D. Ellipsoidal. So the answer is B. Needle shaped. We have already discussed that the canal bunt of wheat pathogen produce the two type of sporidia. One is primary sporidia, that is the needle shaped, and another is the secondary sporidia, that is of sickle shaped. Okay, and the canal bunt pathogen is the Neovusia indica. Next, question number 24. Symptom of loose mud of wheat is evident during, so the options are A. Panicle emergence stage, B. Tillering stage, C. Jointing stage, and D. All of this. So the answer is A. At panicle emergence stage. Okay. Next, question number 25 or the last question. Corynebacterium tritici is a rod-shaped dash. Option number A. Gram-positive bacteria, B. Gram-negative bacteria, C. Both, D. None of this. So the answer is A. Gram-positive bacteria. So this is the end of this video. we have discussed 25 most important questions on diseases of wheat. If you want me to discuss all the diseases of wheat in detail, let me know in the comment section. And if you want the question on rice diseases, then please check the description section. Link is provided there and you may click on the I button. So friends, if you found this video useful for you, please like this and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this as much as possible. Thank you.